Hi friends, welcome you to all my channel Autotech Experts. I am Professor Saipad Sahu from Mechanical Engineering Department. We will see today how a solar aerator works. This complete work is a project work has been carried out by my 2021 passed out BTech Mechanical student at Gita Autonomous College, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. This complete work has been designed, fabricated by my students and my workshop staffs. Here we have used simple components like two solar plates, two 12-volt batteries, two inverters, and the structure as you are seeing. For the fountain we have used a pump, and for the diffuser one compressor is used which is taking power from the batteries. Now it's ready for its performance test, and you can see that how beautiful it is working. The fountain as well as the diffuser is working very smoothly. This fountain and this diffuser is completely working through the renewable source of energy from the solar energy. So there is no conventional energy sources is used. So you can say that after this complete device is working with free of cost. This project is a highly successful one. Many modification work can be done over this, and numbers of future scopes are also associated with this project. You can see in our Gita College pond how nicely it is working. Any queries, any doubts regarding this project work, you may comment in the comment box, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you all.